Hi there, it's Tal from pskiss.com, and I would like to talk to you about 5 features any photographer must know in Lightroom Classic CC. The first one is Quick Develop. Double click the image you want to process in the library model, then go to Quick Develop. Quickly open those black triangles to see the full feature list. Now you can select any preset you like, one of your favorite profiles. Then set the white balance. Then you can set the exposure quickly by clicking the auto button. And now you can fine tune any of the features. Let's say decrease a little bit the vibrance, open up the shadows just a little more, and there you go. You have a processed image without even getting into the develop module. If you want to see the original image and compare it to the one you just corrected, click the Reset All button, and then using Command Z on the Macintosh or Control Z on Windows, go back and see your changes. The next feature I would like to talk about is crop. Select the image you want to crop in the library modal, hit the letter R, and you enter the crop tool. In the crop tool, you'll find the aspect menu with predefined aspect crops. But what happens when you need an unusual crop segment? Let's say you need to crop something for a website that needs 620 pixels wide and 315 pixels tall. You just enter custom 620 by 315. Okay. And you get this aspect ratio in your menu, and you can use it again whenever you need. Another very useful feature of the crop tool is the ruler tool. Just click it here, click and drag on the horizon or any horizontal line which isn't at the right angle. Click and drag to draw the line, release the mouse, and the image is straightened. Now place the composition as you wish and click done or hit the enter key, and the image is cropped. The third feature I would like to talk about is actually a hidden feature which allows you to control the level of adjustments applied by the local adjustment tools. Select the image you want to work on, enter the develop module, select the radial filter tool, select the preset you want to use, make sure the invert is checked and the feather is set to 100, click and drag to create the radial filter, set the angle, replace it and set the size. Let's do some fine tunings. That's it. Now you duplicate this area and drag it to another place in the image just to find out it's not enough or it's too much, and you want to control the level applied by the tool. Click this black triangle over here and you get an amount slider which allows you to increase the level of the tool's adjustments or decrease them to the level you want. Click done and you're done. The fourth feature any photographer must know in Lightroom Classic CC is upright. Select an image you want to straighten, enter the develop module, go to lens correction, remove chromatic aberration and enable profile corrections. Select the camera make if by any chance Lightroom missed it automatically. This is very important because upright works better after correcting the lens distortions. Now go to transform and you see the upright buttons. I'm going to use the guided option. In the guided option, you click and drag to create a horizontal line and then click and drag to create 2 vertical lines, which shows Lightroom what needs to be 90 degrees straight or 180 degrees horizontally. Now you can see that the distortion created some unwanted areas. Click the constrain crop button and your image is fully straightened. The fifth feature I would like to talk about is probably one of the most useful features of Lightroom. The ability to transfer anything you did from one image to others. Let's say you have a series of pictures you want to process the same way. Select the first one, enter the develop module and process it any way you wish. Select the profile, go to lens correction, then go to transform, automatic upright, back to basic, fix the white balance, lower the highlights a bit, open the shadows, add some clarity and a little of dehaze, open the shadows a little more. Once you're satisfied with your editing, go back to the library, select all other images and click the sync settings button down here. Check all if you need, synchronize, and there you go. All images are processed exactly the same. These were 5 features any photographer must know in Lightroom Classic CC. Hope you find this information useful for you. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.